Everyone, welcome back to Grad to Corporate. In today's video, I'm going to share you a hiring opportunity from Citi, which is one of the largest global financial technology company. They're hiring currently for the two opportunity. The first one is a junior Python developer that is a full-time role, and the second one is a technology Summer Analyst Internship Program. So, if you are a fresher or a student looking for internship opportunity, this video is going to be very helpful. Make sure you watch it till the end. I'll explain you the eligibility, skills required, and how to apply. Before we talk about the role, let's quickly understand the company. Citi, also known as the Citigroup, is one of the largest financial institutions in the world. They have operation in more than 160 countries and employ over 2 lakh above people globally. Citi has a very strong technology division where the engineers work on banking system, data platforms, security systems and the global financial application. For freshers, this is a very good company to start your career because you get exposure to the large scale systems and the global projects. Now, let's talk about the first opportunity. Citi is hiring for the junior Python developer role and the job location is Pune, Maharashtra. This is a full-time software development role and the best part is that the experience required is 0 to 3 years, which means freshers can apply. The application deadline mentioned is March 20th. But one more important tip I want to give you is that companies often close the application early once they get enough candidates. So if you are interested, try to apply as soon as possible. Now, let's understand what you will actually do in this role. As a junior Python developer, your main responsibility will be working on a Python based application and services. You will write a clean and well documented code, collaborate with the other developers, and participate in code reviews to maintain the code quality. You will also help in debugging issues and fix the software bug, which is very common for software development. Apart from that, you will also support the team in deploying the application and maintaining the documentation. Now, let's talk about the skills required. First and the foremost is the Python programming because this role is focused on Python development. You must also have a basic understanding of data structures and algorithm because many companies test your DSA during the technical interview. Apart from that, the knowledge of object-oriented programming concept, database like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and the tools like Git and REST API will also be helpful. If you have done the projects in Python, that will definitely increase your chances of getting shortlisted. Citi is looking for the candidate who have a bachelor degree in computer science, software engineering, or related technical field. But the good part is that they have also mentioned the equivalent practical experience, which means if you have a strong programming skills or a project, you still have a chance. So this opportunity is fresher friendly and suitable for candidates starting their software development career. Now, let's talk about the second opportunity from Citi, which is the Technology Summer Analyst Internship Program. This internship is designed for the students who are currently pursuing their degree and graduating in 2027. The location for this internship is Chennai, and the interns will work with the city's technologies team on real world software development projects. During this internship, students will work in an agile development environment, building the scalable software solutions. You will get a training on the modern technologies, development tools, and industry practices. Another great benefit is that many interns who are performing well may also get a full-time job offers after graduation. So this internship can be a great point to the City Technologies team. Interns and developers at Citi work with a variety of modern technologies. These include Java, Spring Boot, Angular, JavaScript, container platforms like Docker and Kubernetes, and the event streaming tools like Kafka. Working with these technologies can significantly improve your technical profile and industry exposure. So overall, this is a very good opportunity for freshers and students. Working at a company like Citi allows you to gain a real industry experience, learn from the experienced engineers, and work on a large scale system. If you're serious about building your career in software development or financial technology, this is definitely worth applying for. Before applying, remember to keep your resume updated, apply on time, prepare for aptitude and technical tests, research the company's culture and work and even their projects sometimes, and follow all the instruction carefully. Always apply only to the official career portals. I have added the direct official link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Grad to Corporate for daily job updates. All the best for your applications. See you in the next video.